Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be telling you guys how I get rid of my face and body hair. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So what I do for my face is I bleach. I bleach once in 2 to 3 months, and not more than that. And the one that I'm using is Oxy Bleach. I've been using this for a couple of times, and I don't make it too strong or too light. I make it of medium strength. It gives me like a decent even coverage. So I apply this all over my face and neck, obviously avoiding the area around my eyes. I'll keep this for about 15 minutes, but I will check whether my hair's been bleached in 10 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I just get it off using a damp cloth or just plain water. With the pack, you also get this post-cream gel that is supposed to calm your skin. So I just apply this on my face and neck. The next thing I do is I shave. I shave around my upper lip and eyebrow area, nothing else. I use the Tinkle razor and some aloe vera gel. I use a decent amount of the aloe vera gel and apply it on my upper lip and eyebrow area. This really helps in the razor gliding on to your skin easily. It also doesn't cut your skin and also helps in getting a good close shave, and it also helps in getting rid of your hair properly. So I use a small mirror so I can see what I'm doing really clearly in it. And then making small strokes, I just go shaving it in the opposite direction of the hair. So I go properly around the upper lip area, a little bit below the lower lip area as well. Now moving on to the eyebrow area, I shave just the middle part of it first. I have actually stopped going to the salon to get my threading done because they would eventually make my eyebrows very thin, and I prefer doing this because I just like getting the extras out. I don't get too much hair around my eyebrow area anyway, so this process really suits me. With the little leftover hair below my eyebrows, I just use a tweezer because the skin there is really thin and I would not like to use the razor there. So I just use a tweezer and get rid of all the small little hair that I have there. I also use this charcoal peel-off mask. I apply this only on my T-zone area, and this basically gets rid of your blackheads and whiteheads, but at the same time it removes a little bit of hair as well because it's a peel-off mask. And I think this has done a great job in getting rid of my acne that I used to get around this area, because this does remove all the gunk, all the dead skin cells that's sitting on your pore, and that over time obviously reduces your acne as well. Now moving on to the body, starting off with hands and underarms. So I wax my arms. I've always waxed. I know a lot of people shave and use weed, that's totally fine, but I like to wax only because I feel when I try doing something from my left to the right hand, it might not happen properly and I might get ingrowth, so I just wax my entire arm area. For my underarms, I've done laser hair removal. So when you do laser, all you can do is shave, you can't do anything else. So I just shave my underarms once in 3-4 days. Coming to the stomach, chest and back area, so before I moved to Pune, when I was in Bombay, I used to have a lady who would come and do full body wax, but when I came here I could not find anyone good, and because of lockdown, what I did was only bleach whenever I needed to, and my back I haven't really done anything because I can't reach the back at all, so I would just bleach probably. For my bikini, I have done laser hair removal again, but I also started waxing, so I still continue waxing, but you guys can also shave. Okay, now coming to the leg area, I used to just wax the entire thing like I said earlier, but in lockdown what I really got hooked to is this Veet ready to use full body waxing kit, and I use this on my entire leg or like areas around the bikini if I want to sometimes. But this is something so convenient and so easy to use because your leg area is such that can go on very easily. You will not miss a spot. You will be able to easily pull the hair out, so you're not going to get too much ingrowth. So I really liked using Veet. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Like, share and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I put out a video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.